Ooh, in the CBD. They are here. They're very cute. I'm very happy they are finally here. So this is them. They saw me at Nala. They're here. Like, I'm very happy. And this is their. So this is how dedicated I am. So I have male and female. So this is for Stormy. This one is for Snow. This is going to be their litter box. This is going to be their plates. Everyone, I bought for them their own syringe. And there they are, my kittens. They are very afraid to come out. I've not opened the door, so I want to open. I see how they are going to manage in this environment. Welcome to your new home. You can come out now. Come out. You can come out. Don't be afraid. Come out, step out. Welcome to your new home. Get familiarized with everything. Stubby. Oh, the first time in their house. Oh, you're so cute.